Are you ready to upgrade your tool for the future? From next-gen wire strippers to the latest smart digital calipers, we've scoured the market to find the most innovative tools available right now. In this video, we're counting down the 20 must-have tools in 2026 that every DIY enthusiast, carpenter, and professional needs in their kit. Whether you're looking for a high-performance electric caulking gun or precision woodworking equipment, these are the top-rated gadgets dominating the industry this year. We're breaking down the specs, durability, and why these tools are viral essentials. Let's dive into the ultimate tool guide for 2026. Struggling to seal gaps neatly without wasting foam? The Bondure Pro Spray Foam Gun delivers precision, control, and cleaner results for every sealing job. Built with a PTFE-coated non-stick interior, it helps reduce foam buildup and maintain smooth operation. The adjustable flow control dial and advanced flow control knob allow precise output with zero waste and a clean finish. Its ergonomic handle and ergonomic 8-inch spray foam gun design reduce hand fatigue during extended work. Featuring a universal screw top, can adapter, and long-reach barrel, and including a nozzle set with 4 tips, it's ideal for sealing windows, doors, framing gaps, and construction projects. Cutting and stripping wires with multiple tools can slow down any electrical job. The Aulctr wire stripper offers a smart all-in-one solution designed for precision, efficiency, and convenience. These new multifunctional heavy-duty wire stripping pliers feature a built-in voltage tester and serve as professional wire stripping electrical pliers for cutting, pulling, scraping, and pressing. The 8-in-1 electrical wire stripper design supports cable cutting, pulling, scraping, and pressing with accuracy. Made from durable 3CR13 plus stainless steel, it ensures long-lasting performance. With cable skinning, capability, and an all-in-one design, it's perfect for electricians, DIY enthusiasts, wiring repairs, power grid maintenance, electrical installation, and car wiring projects. Hand caulking can be slow, messy, and tiring during long sealing jobs. The This Hill electric caulking gun delivers powerful, smooth, and efficient sealing with a smart cordless design. This 20-volt battery-powered caulk gun with two 2.0 ampere-hour batteries ensures continuous work and reduced hand fatigue. With 4 speeds and strong thrust, it allows precise control of adhesive flow for clean results. The dripless caulking gun for sealing and filling prevents messy spills and keeps your workspace neat. Its cordless design and built-in LED light improve convenience and accuracy. The kit also includes 9 Pisces silicone caulking tools, making it ideal for sealing windows, doors, bathrooms, floors, and many DIY or professional projects. Precision matters when even the smallest measurement can affect your project. The Hardell digital caliper delivers reliable accuracy and convenience for professionals and hobbyists alike. This 12-inch stainless steel caliper measuring tool with a large LCD screen provides clear readings and smooth operation. Built from durable stainless steel, it is waterproof, rust-proof, and designed for long service life. The auto-off feature saves power, while quick inch or millimeter switching ensures flexible measurement. With 4 measurement modes for depth, step, inside and outside diameter, this electronic vernier caliper for DIY, jewelry, parts, and 3D printing offers precise measuring for mechanics, craftsmen, engineers, and detailed workshop projects. Dirty gaps around sinks and bathtubs can quickly ruin the clean look of your kitchen or bathroom. The Fixmend Caulk tape offers a simple and effective sealing solution for neat, waterproof edges. This 3-roll self-adhesive caulk strip waterproof set is made from high-quality PVC material for strong adhesion and long-lasting durability. The caulking sealant tape for kitchen countertop, bathroom, sink, shower, bathtub, and toilet edge. Protector with sealing tool ensures a clean and tidy finish. Its linear design fits perfectly in corners and seams. Easy to install, just clean, peel, heat slightly, and press firmly, making it ideal for sealing gaps around sinks, stoves, tubs, and walls. Cutting pipes with rough edges can slow down repairs and damage fittings. The Workpro Tubing Cutter set provides smooth, fast, and precise pipe cutting for professional and DIY projects. This pipe cutter with 1/8 inch to 1 1/4 inches. Cutting capacity includes a mini copper pipe cutter with deburring tool for clean finishing. Designed as a copper, aluminum, brass, and plastic tubing cutter, it ensures clean and precise cut performance on various materials. Ball bearing rollers reduce friction for smoother cutting, while the ultra-sharp cutting wheel and blade improve efficiency. With a comfortable ergonomic design, it is ideal for plumbing, maintenance, pipe installation, and repairing burrs on tubing edges. Stubborn pins, bolts, or metal parts can make repair work frustrating without the right tools. The Neiko Punch and Chisel set delivers strength, precision, and versatility for demanding metalworking tasks. This 16-piece, cold chisels, taper, pin, and center punches, chrome vanadium steel, roll-up pouch, chisel tip gauge, ground and polished, tapered striking head set is built from durable 40 CR chrome vanadium steel for long-lasting performance. Cold chisels help cut and split hard materials, while center punches create accurate indentations for drilling. Taper punches assist with bolt hole alignment, and pin punches install or remove rivets, bolts, and pins in metalworking, automotive, construction, and workshop projects. The Afmat 3-hole punch delivers powerful performance and effortless punching for busy offices, schools, and workspaces. This 9/32" holes, 50-sheet hole puncher, 3-ring is designed for heavy-duty use and can punch up to 50 sheets at once. With 50% reduced effort, its ergonomic leverage design makes punching easier and smoother. The adjustable 2- and 3-hole punch allows flexible configuration for different binders. Built as a metal paper puncher with a large chip tray, it keeps your workspace clean, while the metal paper guide ensures accurate alignment for perfectly organized documents. Leaking or misaligned drip irrigation can waste water and reduce efficiency. The Fulaiergd Pro Punch tool sets make installing and maintaining drip systems fast, precise, and hassle-free. This 2-in-1 drip irrigation tubing hole punch fitting insertion tool. A drip tube hole punch for easier 1/4 inch fitting. An emitter insertion is built from durable plastic and metal, polished for long-lasting sharpness. The Fulaiergd punch and fitting insert design lets you perforate PE pipes and insert drippers or micro nozzles easily. Holes measure 3 mm for a snug fit, minimizing water waste and maintaining proper pressure in your irrigation system. Removing stuck fittings can be tricky and time-consuming without the right tool. The iCrimp Disconnect Tong makes disconnecting push-to-connect fittings quick, safe, and effortless. This sized 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, and 1 inch removal tool used for demounting brass push-fit features has 3 teeth available in each size, allowing easy removal of brass push-to-connect fittings. The iCrimp Disconnect tool is ideal for tight spaces, offering a compact design with wide grip handles for one-handed operation. Simply slide over the fitting, squeeze to press the release collar, and pull the pipe, ensuring quick and easy disassembly with minimal installation errors. Open packages safely and effortlessly every time. The Slicebox Cutter utility knife features a safe ceramic blade made from 100% zirconium oxide, designed with a proprietary finger-friendly edge that helps prevent accidental cuts while protecting package contents. This durable blade lasts 11 times longer than metal and never rusts, making it a reliable everyday tool. Its curved ergonomic handle ensures precise, comfortable cutting for both left and right heavy-handed users. Perfect for cutting cardboard, tape, plastic film, clamshell packaging, vinyl, and cardstock. It's ideal for home, office, warehouse, and packaging tasks. Achieve a professional shine on stone surfaces with ease. The Antstone Wet Polisher is an 800-watt electric granite polisher grinder buffer designed for granite, marble, concrete, stone, and tile. With 6 variable speeds ranging from 700 to 3000 revolutions per minute, it allows precise polishing for different materials. The 4-inch whetstone polisher includes 7 diamond polishing pads for smooth finishing, a 3-hole water distribution system, and splash guard reduce dust and ensure stable wet operation. Built with ergonomic dual handles, a soft start trigger, and safety GFC eye protection, it's ideal for polishing, grinding, and restoring stone surfaces. Keep your artificial lawn looking fresh and natural. The Roll and Comb Turf Sweeper Broom is a corded electric power rake for artificial grass, perfect for maintaining small to medium synthetic lawns. Powered by a 300-watt motor with a 16-inch working width, it efficiently sweeps, combs, and lifts turf fibers. Its 2-pass cleaning system removes debris like leaves, dust, and pet hair from dogs, then restores the grass's natural volume. Compact and precise, it easily reaches corners and edges, making it ideal for mini golf areas, small yards, and fake grass cleaning. Clean hard-to-reach space, quickly and efficiently. The Honoson Power Air Blow Tools are pistol-grip air nozzle blower guns designed for use with air compressors in industrial, mechanical, and household tasks. This 8-piece set easily blows away dust, debris, water, and powder from tight spaces and equipment. Built with an iron barrel, POM handle, and alloy piston, these tools resist rust and corrosion for long-lasting performance. The angled nozzle and hanger slot make them easy to handle and store. Ideal for mechanics, workshops, garages, trucks, and household cleaning, they deliver powerful and precise air blowing. Measure long distances with accuracy and ease. The Qwork tape measure is a 1/2 inch by 330 feet open, real, dual-sided fiberglass measuring tape designed for engineers, yard work, and field measurements. Made from premium fiberglass, it is soft, durable, and water-resistant for reliable outdoor use. The dual-sided scale displays inches and feet on one side and metric on the other for versatile measuring. Its ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip during long tasks, while the fast rewind pivot hand reel quickly organizes the tape. Perfect for construction, landscaping, surveying, and field measuring jobs. Get an extra hand for your toughest installations. The Workpro cabinet. Jack support pole is a steel telescopic quick support rod adjustable from 54 to 114 inches with a strong 154 pounds capacity. Designed as a third-hand support system, it holds materials securely so you can work hands-free. The rotating head with non-slip pads adjusts 360 degrees and tilts 45 degrees for different working angles. Built from high-density metal with an aluminum handle, it ensures durability and precise adjustment. Ideal for cabinet installation, drywall support, crown molding, shelving, cargo bracing, and home improvement projects. Achieve perfect alignment with confidence. The Workpro. Torpedo Level is a small magnetic leveler tool designed for precise plumbing, construction, and installation tasks. Built with an aluminum reinforced frame, it offers durability for daily use. The 12-inch level features 4 bubble vials, vertical, horizontal, 45 degree, and a multi-pitch vial that reads slope in 1/8 inch per foot increments. A strong magnetic edge provides hands-free convenience, while the V-groove bottom fits pipes and conduits for accurate conduit bending. Compact and practical, it's perfect for plumbing, electrical work, leveling shelves, and construction projects. Keep your safety gear organized and ready to use. The Hangen Hard Hat Caddy is an all-in-one PPE organizer designed to store your hard hat, safety glasses, gloves, and hearing protection in one convenient place. Featuring a patented twist lock system, it securely holds your helmet during transport, helping extend the life of your gear. With magnetic backing, a belt clip, and a foldable hook, it easily attaches to lockers, truck beds, or tool areas. A durable glove clip and built-in earplug storage add extra convenience, making it ideal for construction workers, technicians, and job site professionals. Mark drills spots quickly and accurately every time. The Neiko Automatic Center Punch is an adjustable, impact spring-loaded center punch tool designed for precise hole marking on metal, wood, plastic, glass, and leather. This 5-inch auto center punch features a powerful spring punch mechanism with adjustable stroke, delivering consistent impact without needing a hammer. Its chrome-plated body and reinforced S2 steel tip provide durability and corrosion resistance. With a non-slip grip and precision tip, it ensures accurate drilling points. Perfect for metalworking, carpentry, leather crafting, glass breaking, and workshop drilling tasks. Protect your hands while tackling tough jobs. The Wells Lamont Leatherwork gloves are heavy-duty cowhide gloves designed for maximum protection during demanding tasks. Made from premium-grain cowhide, they are naturally abrasion and puncture-resistant, ensuring durability in rugged work environments. The gun-cut design with a keystone thumb improves flexibility and dexterity for better tool control. An adjustable wrist closure keeps debris out and ensures a secure fit. Built for comfort and long-lasting wear, these Saddleton work gloves are ideal for ranching, farming, construction, gardening, and heavy-duty maintenance work. That wraps up our list of the top 20 tools you need in 2026. Which of these tools are you adding to your toolbox first? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe for more high-performance tool reviews and updates. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a 2026 gear drop. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.